Once the software has been uploaded onto the Arduino, you can close out the Arduino software. And now we're going to open up the S4A program. If I hit the Windows key or click on the Start menu and type S, the number 4, A, we should launch. And this should look very familiar at this point. It's a special version of Arduino. We should see a message here saying, looking for board. In a moment, that should pop up, and these numbers should start changing automatically. Once that does, we'll be able to start working. These are going to say random numbers. We'll talk about those later. But right now, let's get started with the first project. We're going to find all the projects on the S4 website. If you scroll all the way up and go to Documentations and Examples, and we're going to do each of the examples. We're going to start with button and LED, which we'll do together. Then you're going to try to do RGB LED yourselves, button, LED, and keeping state, photoresistor and LED. And then once those are done, I have a further project where you'll be taking and integrating the Arduino with the Pong game. So let's start with the button LED example. The first thing we need to do is click and download the code. Typically take and move the code into my Scratch projects folder. So I'm going to go to my downloads, copy button LED, copy, Control C. I'm going to go to my documents folder and scroll down to Scratch projects. I'm going to paste that into the folder. I'm now going to go back to S4A. I'm going to do File, Open. I'm going to hit No to the current project. And I'm going to open button LED. This program has a bug in it, which we'll take care of while we're working on it, but you should see some code show up. I'm going to stop.